Oh, Snapple, everyone. Welcome to Rat Talk. Now,
Hey,
here we go.
man, what's up? What's up, man?
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great uncomfort to introduce Mr. Bruce Wayne.
Hey, man. Hey, ladies. What's up?
How did you find yourself in here?
I just like, and just, I don't know. I kind of forget. It's really sad.
Get out of my house.
No, once I'm tired and I can't really get up. This thing worked.
Anyway, the first question
I found
is,
this in your fridge, by the way.
get out of my fridge.
Dude, is this like bat pee? What's the first bat question, Batman?
Well, actually, Mr. Bruce Wayne, Sarah asked,
It's coming.
what do I think about joining the Justice League?
Almost here.
Well, I think that there are certain people in the Justice League
come to me.
that present a very unique asset to the team, like Martian Manhunter, Superman, and let's see. That's pretty much it. Flash is pretty cool, but personally, I like going solo, just like your cup.
What?
Just like your cup.
My cup?
Yeah.
My cup?
Red Solo cup.
I didn't bring it. I usually just drink out of the,
My thoughts on the Versus movie. Well, I think that it's really cool that isn't it Warner Brothers who's coming out with it? Anyway, wait, what?
No, stop it. Stop it. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Here it comes.
Put the gun down.
Here it comes.
Put the gun down.
Here it comes, it's coming. It's empty.
I'm humiliated. I probably shouldn't have said that. You know what?
When is this stuff gonna come out? I don't want to be in the video. Okay, I'll behave.
Okay.
I'll behave.
Good grief.
No, it's red.
Versus movie.
Wait, what versus baby?
They're coming out with a new Versus movie. With me and Superman and Wonder Woman. Ben Affleck is the new Batman. So I'm interested in seeing how it portrays me and if he keeps the voice so that it's like voice recognition. But
Really good when it's in your eye.
obviously, this is the best voice. Seconded only by Kevin Conroy's animated series. So, yeah,
None of it has even emptied. Won't come out.
oh my goodness. I quit. I'm Batman.